Hi, welcome to my art channel. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you're all well. So that first colour you can see is QNAG, Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold by Golden, and there is just a blob of golden gold. I think it's the bright gold, the iridescent bright gold into it. And then I've also used TLP Glisten, which is a pigment, which is an interference teal. And then that bottle that you saw is Boomgel Stirling Wax White. And my cell activator is gold today. It's the 3 golds again. Precious Gold by Pebeo, Iridescent Gold Fine by Golden, and Atelier Rich Gold mixed with Australian Floetrol, about 1.5 parts to 1 part of paint, 1.5 parts of Floetrol, 1 part of paint. And I wanted to do something really minimal, and I love it. I really love this. It's very hard for you to see obviously on camera, but in real life it is so delicate, so pretty. So I'll let you carry on watching now, and as always everything is listed in the description box, and to access that you can click on the video title and it will take you straight there. So thank you all for watching, and if you like this video please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed please consider it. It's free, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Through the arbor, in the garden room, wings are beating, baby, me and you alone. Pencil drawing phases of the moon, all through the stages, both becoming seen into. Slowly we take on phosphorescence, vivid in the bond, phosphorescence. In the heavens, a billion signals move, call and answer, dozen pairs of 2 by 2. Slowly we take on phosphorescence, vivid in the bond, phosphorescence. take